Hello students, today we discuss the continuation of ecosystem, that is ecological succession or biotic succession. Or another name we called as biotic succession. Normally, earlier class, that means organisms and population, we discussed how abiotic factor it responds to the organisms and all. Similarly here also, how communities are response to the environment. In this one, we discussed detail about how communities responds to the environment and all. Related to that specific one, what is the normal characteristic features of these communities and that is position of the number, the total number of the species. So frequently the position of the organisms according to environmental changes, frequently the organisms also it must be changes and all. So the number of organisms it may not be constantly present, frequently changes according to environmental changes. That is important. Then how it will be changes regarding related to if it is whether it is more number of colonies to become as a population. Sometimes very less. Sometimes organisms completely disappear in some dog. Whether it is more, whether it is less. It depends upon the environment. Depends upon the abiotic as well as biotic factors and all. Now say, what is the meaning of, what is the definition of ecological succession or biotic succession and all? What is the definition, what is the meaning and all? That means that particular changes in species composition in a given area that represent we call as ecological succession and all. Related to the particular change in species composition in a specified area, whether it is aquatic, whether it is terrestrial, in terrestrial, many different types of the habitat and all. Frequently, constantly, according to environmental changes, whatever this one, that related to this one, ecological succession. Ecological succession, it is followed by the evolution. So both are very close relation, succession as well as this one and all. In this one, what is the meaning of, what is the other name of ecological series and all? Ecological series means all communities, whatever the communities which responds to the environmental conditions and all communities. That means sequence regarding related to sequence communities. All sequence communities that successive change in an area. That is ecological series and all. That represent we call as ecological series and all. Then what is it by that several stage and all, that individual transfer of community. That is, it represents we call as cell stage or independent or individual, that a community, whatever this transfer of these communities, that individually or independent specific species, that is we call as cell stage and all. So based on this characteristic feature, there is two different types of succession is present. One is the primary succession, another one is the secondary succession. Name itself present. Primary succession means the plants or animals, first plants are developed, then only followed by the consumers and all, that already know. So whatever in bare land, whatever in cooled lava, whatever completely absorbed, completely disappearance of the water area and all. So earlier, no one organism may not be present. No one living organism may not be present. So from beginning onwards, it is a completely non-living things. In that specific area, all living organism present today, whatever biosphere is present, it comes to this particular community and it takes place several million years, several billion years, not immediate and automatically it may not be takes place. It takes place several maximum period of time and all. That means with the bare and a specific empty specific area without any living organism, from microorganism, from unicellular to all higher multicellular up to that biosphere and all, like a cell, tissue, organ system, like that up to this biosphere and all. It takes place several million years and all. In that primary succession, it takes place several million years. Among these one, maximum time. Which time? So which particular things one can formation, then it takes place maximum period of time. First of all, formation of the soil, it takes place maximum period of time. Once if it forms to the soil, then automatically the organisms one by one, alternatively one by one, it reproduces according to environmental condition, it changes and formation and all, and higher level and all. So the primary succession, it takes place up to climax community. The primary community, the first community we called as pioneer community. This is the first one, this is the last one. The first community, the first organism, the living thing, which are present, which are formed, which are developed, which are synthesized, which are reproduced in that specific area, that is we call as pioneer community. With the help of pioneer community, then seral community, later climax community, it reaches to the all full-fledged, both plants, animals, all these things it will be present. What we present, we observe into the either forest, either lake, either pond, either river, either any type of different types of the desert, whatever it may be, depends upon the water as well as soil. Abiotic factor act as a chief role. Then secondary succession. Secondary succession means already primary succession, already primarily developed organisms are there with the help of human activity or natural firing as well as earthquakes or regarding related to maximum that the deforestation. Because of deforestation as well as human activities and for construction of buildings as well as roads and all these the natural environmental becomes, it is polluted. Then as well as by construction of the factories and because of the pollution, that already existed environmental condition, already existed community, already existed ecosystem, it disappearance because of anthropogeny or natural calamities. In the succession it will be started and already existed, that means soil is there. So when you compare to the primary succession, secondary succession, it reaches to the climax community. It takes place little bit less period of time when you compare to the primary succession. That is important. Which type of succession to reach to the climax community, it takes place maximum period of time, then you write the option is the primary succession. But secondary succession, already particular type of the soil is there. Why? Because formation of soil, formation of microorganisms, everything and all, it will be takes place maximum period of time. Already it is there. Then secondary succession little bit to very fastly, very quickly. When you compare, suppose primary succession takes place 10 million years ago, secondary succession takes place 100 to 200 years within that less period of time when you compare to that one. But anything it will be takes place time and all. So based on this one, what type of succession? Based on the water, one among the important abiotic factor that is related to, based on the water, some rock, bare rocks or cool lava in that area, if it develops to the organisms related to the primary succession, that is regarded as xeron. Then related to from water, earlier it is a pond, it is completely disappearance, completely evaporated. In that specific area, already water is there earlier, with the help of severe temperature, it completely evaporated, it becomes into the empty land and all. In that specific or already existed some amount of water, with the help of water, presence of water, formation of community succession, that is, it represents as this one related to hydrarch and all. Then bare rocks, with the help of rocks, development of forest, that is the xerox and all. With the help of water, it develops into the forest, that we call as hydrarch and all. So secondary succession, it takes place little bit fastly when I compare to the primary succession and all. So in that primary succession, how water, it converts into the water bodies, it converts into the complete forest. How many that particular stages are present, it becomes to reach to the climax community and all. Similarly, bare rocks, how it converts into the forest area, what are the things, what are the community, what are the species which it must be present and all. That is related to bare rocks. That is we call as in bare rocks. That is xerox. That means without availability of the water from bare rocks, it develops as a complete forest area. So in this one, what are the communities? It must be present and all. In this one, at any formation development of the community, the first community it represents as this one, pioneer community. Last community we call as climax community. In between the particular species, whatever development and all, that is we call as seral community and all. In this one, in that xerox, that pioneer community, what type of organism? First it develops, whenever it becomes moist, whenever it becomes a normal temperature, that is common. Whenever favorable conditions of abiotic factor, whatever community, it must be stored, it must be begins and all. Without abiotic factor, without the appropriate factors, no one may not be developed, may not be started, may not be initiated and all. Here also specific amount of moisture, appropriate temperature, appropriate rate, everything if it is favorable, then only pioneer community also it begins. What type of organism, that is important. What type of organism it must be begins, it must be starts in xerox as a pioneer community. Many options they give. Related to lichens, they give lichens, bacteria, viruses or protozoals and all. Your option will be the lichens and all. In pioneer community, that crustose lichens. In this crustose lichens and all, related to Lecanora as well as Graphis, Rhinodina, Rhizocarpon or Rhizocarpus and all. So these are the lichens. Whenever appropriate habitats are present, they are ready to enter into the rocks, then it dissolves. Whenever it dissolves, gradually it may not easy process, it takes place maximum period of time and all. After dissolving the larger particles into the smaller particles with the help of crustose lichens and all, then it reaches to the seral community. In that seral community, then it enters into the foliage lichens. After entering this little bit macro to the micro, then immediately it reaches to the foliage lichens and all. That is, crustose lichens act as this one pioneer community. Foliage lichens enter into there is a seral community and all. In this one, dermatocarpon, then Parmelia, dermatocarpon Parmelia enters as seral stage and still whatever that particle, still it must be disappeared, still it must be degraded, still it must be converted into the fragmented parts and all. Like whatever rocks it converts into the little amount of soil-like structure or sediment, that means small whatever soil-like structure that parts it must be converted and all. Then it enters moss stage. Already what is the name moss one related to bryophytes and all. After this one only it takes place several time period and all. The little amount of moisture as well as little amount of that specific soil formation and all. Then moss plants, bryophyte plants, it ready to enter and all. In this moss plants and all, it is present into this one, that is Grimmia, then Torula, Polytrichum. These specific plants, it must be enter in that specific area. After reach that moss stage and all, then little amount of the soil, it must be formed ready to entering of next cell stage of the plants and all. Why? Because whenever it develops into the plants, appropriate oxygen released, then automatically depends upon the consumers are entering. Then the forest, then it reaches to the climax community and all. So that is very important and all. That's why we discuss here. Then herb stage. Then little bit grass plants. It enters into the grass plants and that is Eleusine, Aristida. These are annual plants are present. After certain period of time, these annual plants it replace. That means after completion its lifespan, that biennial or perennial plants ready to enter and all. That means symbopogon, heteropogon plants and all. Like perennial or sometimes maybe biennial as well as perennial plants it enters and all. Then shrub stage and all. Little bit elongated, little bit somewhat into 1 or 2 meters height of that particular plants, it enters this area and all. In this shrub stage, in the shrub stage and all, it must be present rust. It must be enter into the rust as well as phytocarpon. Or phytocarpus. Apart from this one, Gigipus. Gigipus plants. Then it reached to the climax community. Then this is the first community. Then last community. Climax community. In this climax community, mesophytes, that means tree stage. Mesophytes. Mesophytic plants are present, that means wheat. It is neither desert nor aquatic one. Neither desert plants, that means xerophytes, nor aquatic plants. Such type of plants, first it develops and like roses, like palm, as well as cod. So such type of these mesophytic plants are developed. That means like this, from pioneer to here, in exam point of view, what is the pioneer community? what is the climax community. If they want any twisted questions and all, they must ask between. For understanding purpose, we discussed about that is related to cell stage and all, cell community and all. May or may not, but compulsory remember what is the pioneer, what is the climax, what is the cell stage, in between the specific examples area and all. Why? Because step by step, automatically to increase the plants, whatever increase, automatically it is also increases regarding related to animals also. Then the community, it must be developed. Automatically the interaction between plants and animals, it must be developed. Now related to similarly hydra, how from aquatic area it reach to the, it enters into that specific climax community and all. Instead of here, but in any one specific aquatic area, that is now it is hydra and all. In this hydra, total water is present. In that one, which one act as a pioneer community? Most important. What is the pioneer community into the zero? Your answer will be the lichens. In that one, if they give specifically, you write crustose lichens and all. Here, phytoplankton. Pioneer community is the phytoplankton. What is the examples of phytoplankton? Like blue-green algae, as well as flagellated green algae. Blue-green as well as flagellated and diatoms. So, such type of plants, such type of microorganisms, it must be formed and all as a phytoplankton. Apart from this one, immediately it follows zooplankton. That means one among the seven stage and all, zooplankton, but it is not that much importance and all. After death of this primary, that means pioneer as well as zooplankton, then detritus, little bit amount of humus, little amount of that specific fertile soil, ready to formation of the further growth and development of the plants and all. Immediately zooplanktons are present like copepeds. Like copepeds which are present and all. Then related to the cell stage, it is present submerged plants. In submerged plants means completely waters, that the plants are present inner part of the water bodies and all. That is hydrilla, Utricularia, Vallisneria, as well as Potamesidon and Najas. Potamesidon as well as Najas, all are submerged plants only. After formation of submerged plant, little amount of soil, little amount of nutrients ready to form, then the area, the depth of that specific one. Here, normally aquatic area means it is not, never sea convert as a forest, maybe lake or ponds. In that specific area only it converts this one. In that less depth area of the aquatic area only it must be. Then little bit decrease the depth area because of the soil formation. Little bit layers are formed and all. Then in submerged plants to it entered into the submerged freely floating. Submerged freely floating plants. That means some of the plants are anchorage their roots, but leaves are freely present on surface of water and all. In this one, anchorage roots, but leaves are freely floating on surface of the water and all. Such type of plants are, that is Nymphia, Neelambo, Nufer. such type of plants and all. Then completely freely floating of plants. Freely floating plants and all. That is, you rate related to Spirodila as well as Ulfia and Eichhornia, Pistia, Trapa, Azula, Lemna, all these plants related to completely, there is no anchorage of roots the bottom of the water. But Nymphia, Neelambo as well as Nufer, these plants anchorage roots into the submerged soil, then respectable of whatever superficial parts like leaves and all, it must be exposed on surface of water and all. Here the complete plant exposed to the surface of water only. Then based on this one, then ready to formation of amphibian, little bit mud area, ready to formation, little bit depth area also reduced and down, 0.3 to 1 meter. Like them, ready to reduces while formation of suppose one water body is there. If you add little amount of the organism, little amount of the constituent, little amount of the communities, any constituents, automatically the water body levels gradually reduces and down. Here also, next amphibian plants are formed and all. In the cereal community, the amphibian bodies. That means reed swamp plants. Otherwise, we call as the amphibian plants and all. In these amphibian plants, normally Sagittaria, Scippus, Typha, here related to Trapa. Trapa comes under submerged freely floating one. Typha, it comes under reed swamp, related to amphibious. Amphibious means it is ready to develop both aquatic moisture as well as without any, that means normal terrestrial and all, amphibious and all. As well as Phragmites plants, there is reed swamp and all. The next related to cereal stage only, that is sedge, marsh, meadow plants. So little bit higher, little bit complex. That means whatever edge point of throughout that specific aquatic body and from bottom to there, maximum it occupies, maximum it covers and sedge meadow. That means that the corners, both the corners, that lateral parts of that aquatic body, it occupies and covers, and formation of new type of the plants and all. That is in that sedge meadow. In this one, some of these one grasses, some of these one herbals, like the different types is present. In this diacanthium. In this diacanthium related to grass plants, Themidia. Themidia also both are grasses plants. Related to Carex, Caltha, Campanula, Cyperus. Like Carex, Caltha, Campanula, Cyperus, related to herbal plants and all. These are the grasses or diacanthium, Themidia, that Carex, Caltha, Campanula, Cyperus related to the herbal plants and all. Along with this one, Ipomea, it is also present. then polytrichum, related to polytrichum, such type of plants related to in this area it is present and all. Next it reach to the shrub plants. Next stage related to shrub plants. In that shrub plants, populus, then ulmus and salix. Such type of plants are shrub plants and are little bit high, little bit more when you compare to this one. Ready to formation of the enter into the climax community and all. Then last community, that is the climax. In this climax community, that is normally we call as tree stage and all. In that tree stage, climax community after completion of this one, here oak plant, oak, acer, ABS, one type of the gymnosperm, such type of the plants, normally it will be developed and all. Whenever it forms, it reaches to the climax, then remaining whatever depends upon the consumers, either birds, either different types of the animals, ready to like herbivores, all are ready to enter in that specific community area for the sake of the food material, for the transferring of the energy and all. So that is related to these different types of this ecological succession or biotic succession, but it is very difficult for formation of primary succession, whether it is a xeroarch or it is a hydroarch and all. Very, very simple. Xeroarch in that sense, it develops from bare rocks area. Hydroarch in that sense, it develops from aquatic region. Then it reaches to the forest. Both are reached. The beginning one, pioneer community. Ending one, climax community. In between this one, seral community. But if it is a pioneer, if it is primary succession, it takes place several million to many years, 1,000 to million years takes place and all. Second succession, within 100 years, it is completed and all. It depends upon the type of the succession and all. Now, that continuation related to that specific whatever ecological succession, then ecological services and all. It is most important. Whatever normal vehicles also, we must made it frequently services. Even though ourselves also frequent services, knowingly, unknowingly we are doing. Without specific services, the metabolic activities, the specific organism in specific area and it must be disturbance. That's why it is compulsory services required and all. So what is the meaning of services? So these ecological, that means that a particular purified ecosystem, whatever purified ecosystem, if it is present, that means healthy ecosystem. If it is healthy ecosystem, it is the basic, almost all regarding related to economical, environmental, aesthetic sense and all. It helpful for ecological, environmental and aesthetic. So, healthy ecosystem, it helps ecologically, environmentally, as well as aesthetically, apart from this one, economically, related to environmental, ecological or environmental, aesthetic aspects. It must be good, it must be properly present in that specific type of the ecosystem and all. Then, what is meant by, if it is present, what is meant by ecological services? Ecological services in that sense, the product of ecosystem processes. Product of ecosystem processes. that is ecological services and all. So in these ecological services, whenever healthy forest, if it is present, healthy forest ecosystem, if you take any healthy forest ecosystem, so in this what it provides, what it purifies, so it purifies. If it become healthy one without any pollutant and all, what is the important role of healthy forest ecosystem and all? It purifies water and air. If it is healthy one, automatically it purifies water, whatever that specific environmental condition, as well as air and all. It automatically it takes place and all. Then it provides habitat for organisms. That means suitable environment to cope up, to develop in specific environmental environment. As well as it is also helpful, it is also useful, economical, aesthetic, as well as spiritual. It is also, it provide spiritual, aesthetic, and economically it must be helpful, it must be useful and all, as well as pollinating crops and all. It is useful for pollinating crops and all. It is also helpful related to one among these one, mitigate the droughts as well as floods and all. That means it may not ready to overcome. That means whatever the natural calamities are present, if it is healthy one, it may never be happen and all. If it is not at all present, that means complete deforestation, it may be leads to the droughts and all. If it is more than normal pollutions and all, it may be causes the floods and all. That means it must be controlling the floods as well as drought condition in specific area and all. Then it is also that formation of the soil. It is helpful. Formation of suitable soil and all. Then it is also provide formation of the suitable, that specific amount of the humus containing and all. Such type of the suitable soil, it must be possible and all. Then it is also helpful, important role without pollution, to control the pollution. Without pollution, the all living organisms, all communities, it becomes as a very happier one. Then for all these, it must be present that according to one scientist, any one service means they will be little bit costable and all. So how much cost it will be takes place per year to become any one specific area, to become as a minimum nominal fundamental services and all. According to Robert Constanger. So according to Robert Constanger, the minimum and fundamental services of any ecosystem, it requires 33 trillion US dollars. That means it must be doubles regarding related to grass national product and all. Whatever grass national product, normally that is a gross national product 18 trillions, it becomes double and all. It is services regarding related to per yearly. This it required per year. It is related to fundamental. For fundamental service per yearly only, it must be takes place that much cost and all. Related to in this one, which type of these things? It may lead to the maximum cost and all formation of soil. In this one, that formation of soil, that it takes place 50% and all. The formation of soil, it takes place. That related to nutrient cycling formation, nutrient cycling as well as recreation purpose, it takes place 10%. Then particular habitat and climatic change and all. That healthy climatic change and all, each and every, that each 6% and all. So, an exam point of view, very simple. What is the percentage according to Robert Constanja? How much cost it takes place per year, the fundamental nominal services of any ecosystem, that is 33 trillion US dollar. It becomes a doubling of gross national product, GNP. Normally gross national product 18 trillions and all. It becomes a double rate and all. In that one, formation of soil, that is only maximum and all. Once one can formation of soil, automatically remaining organism, it must be developed and all. Okay? This is very important related to ecosystem. In that we remember that ecological pyramids, very most important. Apart from this one, related to ecological succession. Then in these two specific area, it acts as very, even though 8 subtopics are there, maximum number of time related to energy flow. They are also asked many times, what is the energy flow? How much percentage of photosynthetic active radiation which traps that particular photosynthetic organism related to food chain in which specific level from producers to up to top that consumers and all thing once or twice you revise, then compulsory 1 or 2 bits they ask in this particular chapter. Okay, thank you.